Hello friends, for today's trading I have selected only two stocks, Trent and Grasim Industries. Only these two stocks I have traded. So let me tell you the reason why I have selected these two stocks and what is the analysis after selection and what was the result of the trading that I have done on behalf of that analysis and what is the lesson that I have learned. Okay friends, let's start the video. So let's start with Trent. Okay, so as you can see clearly, on 8th October, yeah, that is on last Friday, this stock was uh, trading in a range. I think from 10:30 till the last candle of the day. So a lengthy and strong buildup was formed, and that buildup was formed above the recent swing low. So again, dominant pressure in this stock is buying, that is very clearly visible. Dominant pressure, uh, buildup was formed above the recent swing low. These two confirmation I have, and you can also see the trend of, I mean direction of the price is upward. So three confirmation, and when the candle was formed, first candle, and that there is 9:15. Yes, 9:15 candle was formed above this build-up zone, and after that 9:20 candle was formed, which has touched the previous high. So it was quite evident that buyers have taken control in this stock. So I waited for a pullback that it provided, and on this candle, I think 10:15, when the high of 10:15 candle was broken, I have entered in this stock by taking the stop loss just below the low of 10:05 candle. So my buying price was 1124.85 and my stop loss was on 1114.90, 10 paise below. So this was my position that I have taken, and stock has started moving in upward directions. So I have three confirmation: dominant pressure, build up, and major confirmation was given by the market today, as market is in green today. So better to go for a long position in any stocks. So I have done the same thing, but still I have booked loss in this stock because the buyers have lost the momentum after some times. I think around after 10:50 they have lost the momentum. So you can clearly see the buyers who have entered over here are weaker than the sellers who are available above the previous high. So pressure or momentum is getting shifted for today's, but you can see still the price is facing some kind of opponent around this build-up zone. So let's see if this build-up zone will be broken, then it will become, I mean, trend stock will become a very good candidate for shorting. So reason for selecting this stock is dominant pressure, build-up, and current market trend are all in the same direction. So I have gone with them, and still I have booked the loss. So this is the nature of market. So I have accepted. So this is about the trend. Now move to Grasim. Grasim, you can see a very nice downfall of this stock. So a very clear clue, or you can say hint, that momentum will be shifting. Will be shifted is when this stock on 6th October. tested low, and again it came again tested that low, and on yesterday when it was again gone sorry, on Friday again this stock gone for testing the low, but that low was not broken, and even if that low was not even tested, so buildup was formed. So if you draw or you can change the line, yeah, you can clearly see a very nice head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head and shoulders are formed. So I was waiting when this high, previous swing high was broken, I entered in this stock. So let me explain you the reason first. Though so okay, so dominant pressure was looking for selling, and but uh, it has created a triple bottom. You can see first bottom, second bottom, and this is third bottom this stock has created. So a very clear sign of trend reversal. The price has formed its pattern, a triple bottom a triple bottom pattern, which is a very strong trend reversal pattern. So a very rare chances of failing this pattern, even if uh, sellers are even more stronger. But retail traders, when got this kind of pattern, they entered in a big quantity. So there can be a starting of the upward direction, and that is what happened today. So actually, the current market trend also has given some kind of support, some kind you can't say majorly support given by current trend of the market. So triple bottom and the build up, current market trend. These are the reason I have traded in this stock. So as soon as this high was broken, because it had tested three times, if you can see, it was a kind of resistance first, second, this is a false breakout. So again price came in this zone, third and fourth. So it has become a very weaker resistance zone. So in the morning when this resistance zone was broken and the candle was able to close above this, so I was ready to take the trade in this stock, and when the high of first 915 candle was broken around 1620, I have taken the position, and my stop loss was around 1610. So 10 points mostly I have taken the stop loss, and on 1650 I have booked my profit. So 30 rupees I have got in this. So overall I am in profit today in Grasim, and booked loss in Trent. So these are the regions, analysis and conclusion of the today's trade. So now the lesson that I have learned today from the stocks. So uh, if you are a price action believers, so you need a very strong confidence in your skill, in your chart reading skills, or even more you can say bravery is needed to take the trade against the market trend. Normally any people or every people say that trade along with the direction of market. Even if I also taken, yeah, uh, if you can analyze my trend trading, I have gone with the trend of market, but still I have booked the loss. See here, actually in the today's trade I have taken both the approach, against the market, with the market, but this time against the market has given me a profit, whereas along with the market has given me a loss. So this is the nature of market, because what price is saying, that you should understand very clearly. Here I have understood what price is saying, but if this buildup was formed around this zone, then a very high chances of going up. but this high was not broken. So this may be the reason of failing trend trade, but in Rasim, same thing. Expected movement in this stock was in downward direction, but triple bottom build up and current market trend had supported this stock, and now this stock has started its upward movement. So this is the lesson that I have learned today from today's trading. So this is all about today's trading, friends. Please like, subscribe and share my channels. If you find my analysis, my approach towards the market is good, and if it is helping to you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.